Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called Farberware. And pretty much what this is the 15-piece stainless steel knife set or cutlery set. So the reason why I got this was because of the fact that I needed one of these blocks to hold my knives and whatnot. And I couldn't find one for like an affordable price just for the actual block itself. So I found this product right here where it actually comes with all the knives. Like even if I didn't want the knife itself, if you guys were to buy the block itself, it's around the same price range. That's why I decided to get this one where I can get all the actual knives itself even though I don't need it. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you guys what it looks like and what comes out the package first. So when you guys first open the package itself, you guys can see that I provide you a little instruction to teach you guys how to sharpen your blade using the actual sharpening steel that they provide you. And then this is basically what it looks like inside right here. So let's take everything out. So everything's all wrapped up in here. I think these are the knives. We'll take this out in a second. So here we have the actual block itself where you can actually put all your knives, which is pretty awesome. And then that's everything else. So this box right here is the knife itself. So let me actually open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So you just want to be really careful because there's a lot of sharp objects in here. Alright, as you can see, these are all the knives in here. It's all like protecting and whatnot. They have a little cover for each one of the knives, which is pretty awesome. But let me take out each one to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so basically what's provided in the actual package itself. First thing we have right here is the 8-inch chef knife, as you can see. Definitely super sharp, high quality and everything. The grip is actually really nice and handy. Really easy to clean and use. For all the knives, you guys want to make sure that when you guys clean it, make sure to hand wash it and dry it before putting it back into the block itself. Or you guys will probably rust the blade and whatnot. So that's the chef knife. Let's show you guys everything else. Next we have our 6-inch slicing knife. As you can see right here, it's definitely super sharp. Really perfect for slicing and whatnot if you guys can see. Next we have a sharpening steel, as you can see. So this is the product you guys will use to kind of sharpen your knife. So that's really cool how they provide you this. Next right here we have their 6-inch bread knife. As you can see, definitely super sharp and really useful, especially for cutting bread. Next we have the utility knife right here. As you can see, it's definitely really sharp and really useful. Next one right here we have their 4.5-inch Santoku knife, which is pretty awesome. Definitely made really nice, very small and mini, so it's definitely really easy to use for like chopping like your garlic, your onions or whatever, which is pretty awesome. And then right here we have their mini paring knife that you can use to like cut fruits or whatever. But it's definitely made really small and super cute and it's really sharp, as you can see. And right here we have the all-purpose shear scissor, as you can see. Definitely super sharp and everything. You guys can hear how sharp it is. And then right here we have their steak knife. As you can see, it's super sharp, perfect for cutting steaks and whatnot. Overall product itself feels super nice, just like all the other knives as well. And then for the steak knife, they actually provide you 6 of them. So this is 1. And then here are other 5 steak knives, and see. So 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So 6 steak knives and all the other knives that you can see earlier that I just provided and show you guys. So those are all the knives that they provide you, but let me show you guys the actual block itself. Alright, so as you can see, this is basically what it looks like. Definitely high quality material overall. It feels super sturdy. I believe they use real wood for this product itself, which is pretty awesome. They have the little logo right there on the side. This is what it looks like right here. This is what it looks like on the back side. This is what it looks like on the other side. And on the bottom, they do have the anti-skid material, so that way it will prevent the actual product itself from like moving around or skidding around when you guys are using it or just having it on the surface and whatnot. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually put in all the knives in here to show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product itself, how to put it on, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think this deal is actually really worth it because of the whole package you guys are getting is pretty awesome. Like if you guys were to buy the block itself without any of the knives on there, it's literally the same price that you would pay for this product right here that includes all the knives. You guys are only paying like a few bucks more for this product with the knife itself. So that way you can have an extra pair of knives in case if you guys don't have those certain knives that you guys need at home. And what's really cool about this is the fact that even if you guys don't want to use their knife, you guys can always use your own knife and put it into the block itself if you guys want to. It won't fit all your knives though. That's definitely one thing to also kind of consider as well. Like if you guys have the really huge cleaver, obviously it won't fit in this one, so you guys would need a different one. But the overall product itself, I would definitely have to say that's worth it if you guys want one or need one. Especially if you guys cook a lot or you guys just want to like clean up the mess in your kitchen so everything looks really nice and clean, then this product is definitely worth it in those cases. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have